It's ridiculous, and it's next.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Hey there, Motorheads. This is your show, Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Now, you know that there's all kinds of ways to modify your vehicle and personalize it. Now, we have the Golden Cummins here from Adrenaline Offroad. Mitchell, you can go extreme like this, but you found there's a simpler way for folks to call attention to their vehicle. What's that?
Yeah, so obviously you can spend a lot of money modifying your truck, making it look absolutely insane, but there are ways that you can modify your vehicle that do not break the bank and let you stand out in a big way and draw a lot of attention to your vehicle. And one of the best things that I've found over the years of modifying my truck is lighting it up. And there's nothing better to use than an LED rock light.
Now, you've gone extreme with the rock lights here on the Golden Cummins here. How many do we have underneath?
We have 120 rock lights on this truck, which is absolutely abnormal and absurd. Normally somebody can buy either an 8 or a 12-piece kit of this rock light and it lights up their whole entire underneath their vehicle, but obviously being the company vehicle, we had to lead by example and just go absolutely absurd and over the top with this.
Well, 120 is the record, so if you want to go for the record, there it is. Let's talk about your rock lights here. What makes them different from the other ones I might find out there on the market?
Yeah, so first of all, with this rock light right here, it is an all-in-one solution. This is the highest powered, full functioning RGB plus W rock light currently on the market, which means you can change it to any color you want, red, green, purple, blue, whatever you want, but it also has a pure white dedicated diode into it, so you can get the pure white effect as well.
You have all these color options, but you find a lot of folks are just running white.
So a lot of the times people are looking for just a crisp, clean, pure white underglow under their truck. And with this product right here, you get the pure white as well as all the other color options. So it's an all-in-one solution for your rock light needs.
Now, how bright are we talking? How much power is coming from these lights?
So each one of these rock lights produces 42 watts of power, making it the brightest and most powerful full-functioning RGBW rock light currently on the market.
I know everybody's asking, what are these like to install? Can I do it myself?
Absolutely. So it's actually really not that bad to install these things. So what's involved first is this control module. So this right here is simply going to connect to the positive and negative battery terminal. And then on the other end, you have these waterproof plug-and-play connectors and this in-between wiring lead. So each connection, line up the pins, twist this on, your lead is connected. And then on the other end, you take your rock light, do the exact same thing, make the connection, and that's pretty much all you got to do right there. There's no soldering, wiring involved, or anything like that. It's very user-friendly installation. And even if you have little to no mechanical experience, you can definitely install these.
And now, how many can I run in sequence there? How many lights can I put on my vehicle? I know it's at least 120.
Yeah, at least, right? So normally somebody will buy either an 8 or a 12-piece kit. And if you want to run more than 12, you'll actually receive 2 separate 12-piece modules or separate control boxes, which automatically sync up together. So really, you can have as many kits as you want and create as big of a setup of rock lights as you want with these rock lights from Adrenaline Offroad.
And at Adrenaline Offroad, it's not just the rock lights. You have some other stuff as well. We see the wheel lights on the Cummins over here. What are those like to install?
So the wheel lights pretty much go hand in hand with rock lights in a lot of scenarios. They sync up directly with them. For example, if you take out your phone to control the lights, you hit red, the rock lights and the wheel lights will both turn red at the same time. And as far as installation for the wheel lights go, it's the same thing, it's really not too bad. You just got to bolt them directly onto your dust shield. And then the wiring and everything towards your battery is the exact same as our rock lights.
Those are a couple options that are really good DIY options. Now here you have the Starlight headliner kit. That's something you might want to take to a pro because it involves pulling out the headliner and punching some holes in it, but it looks fantastic, just like a Rolls-Royce has, and you can have that in any vehicle. Now I know folks are probably watching saying, I've already installed some other lighting accessories on my vehicle, so how are those going to play along with these products from Adrenaline Offroad? Am I going to need like 17 remotes to make it all work together?
So we have an all-in-one solution for that. We call it the multi-product controller, and all you got to do is wire in all of your 12-volt lighting accessories to this product, and this product connects to your battery, and you can control every single light on your vehicle from one remote.
Any 12-volt accessory?
Anything.
Well, Mitchell said it. It's affordable. It's a great way to call attention to your vehicle. You can find all of this at AdrenalineOffroadOutfitters.com, and there is a promotion for those who watch Motorhead Garage. Motorhead 10 will get you 10% off and free shipping. We'll be right back with Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so do not touch that dial.